But anyways, if you hear noise and talking, this is Gigi doing what Gigi does, which is whatever the heck she wants when she's with Auntie. Thank you. You hold this one. Got it? So I use the Cantu Curl Activator Cream. Yeah. And then I used the Define and Shine Custard. And overall, it's not horrible. It did, you know, a pretty decent job. Hey girls, so we're back with another Wash and Go series video, and in this video we are using Cantu. I started this wash day from beginning to end using strictly Cantu. So I began my wash day with their complete conditioning co-wash. So I am not a fan of co-washing. I have low porosity hair, and buildup is a real thing for low porosity girls. So co-washing has never been something I've gravitated to, just because I don't feel like my hair is being thoroughly cleaned, and I don't want to pile product on top of old product on top of old product and then do one clarifying month. No. I like my hair to be clean every week, and I like to start with a clean canvas when I do my styles. That way I get less residue, I get less buildup, and I get less flaking. But I know Cantu has come under a lot of flack for some of their ingredients, and a lot of people are not using it. But I do believe it is a cheaper alternative to some of the more expensive hair products. So I figured, why not give it a try and do a video using Cantu products. So like I said, I started my wash day with their complete conditioning co-wash. I also have their hydrating cream conditioner. Now I did not use them to deep condition because I'm not about to play around with my deep conditioner. So, you know, no offense to Cantu, but I used my own deep conditioner. But for styling, so in the shower, after I rinse out my deep conditioner, I moisturize my hair with their moisturizing curl activator cream. And what I will say about this, it is very creamy. And for my gel, I am going to be using Cantu's Curl and Shine Custard. So I co-washed my hair, so you know, it's my hair and the texture and everything is a little bit different, but I think it's going to be okay. Let's start with a curl activating cream. This product is very creamy. It coated my hair well, but I don't feel like it's very moisturizing. Even though I've slathered it all over my hair, I feel like my hair is not super moisturized. So my expectations are kind of low. To combat that, I am also going to be adding my own Jamaican black castor oil to this wash and go. And then the gel is a very runny consistency. So it's very, very loose and kind of like a snotty, like you can see it will flex back up. So it's completely different than the Eco Stellar gel, completely different than what I'm used to using. So it's gonna be a different experience, but I'm really interested to see, you know, use another product and see how it works. So we're gonna jump into this wash and go featuring Cantu. Wish me luck. I always start my wash and goes by finger detangling, and when I finger detangle, I work from the root and I go down. And it's more so of like a separating process for me. I'm not actually like combing my hair. I'm more so separating my strands from each other. And then after I finger detangle, I will take a wide tooth comb and I start from the ends and work my way up. And then after my wide tooth comb, I go in with a brush. It does not necessarily have to be a Denman brush, just a brush where the teeth are kind of separated. And then I also work from the bottom up. I don't brush my roots. I kind of just go midway up with the brush. And I also go on top. And now that my hair is thoroughly detangled, I start to apply product. I'm going to start with just a little bit of oil. As you know, Jamaican black castor oil is very thick, so a little will go a long way. I'm just using it to seal in this cream. I'm going to start by applying the gel to my root, and that slippery consistency is working to my advantage because I can already feel it kind of just gliding through my hair and making it very slippery, which works for a wash and go. So there's a lot of white residue. I'm hoping it doesn't flake. I hope it dries clear, but we'll see. Okay, so my hair is almost dried, and this is my wash and go. As you can see, it's very frizzy. I do have a little bit of a white film still, but I think that'll go away once my hair is 100% dried, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure this white film is gonna go away. As you can see, my hair is pretty frizzy and big, and I have a lot going on. What I'm going to do is clip this front piece back. Excuse the background noise. I have my niece with me. Baby Gigi is with me today. You may have heard her in other videos as well, because she is my partner in crime. All right, this is Gigi. This is my girl, my partner in crime. She's always talking, always walking, always touching stuff, always messing with stuff. She doesn't understand shh. Do you? Do you understand shh? No? Anyways, this is my girl. This is my niece, baby G. She's about to be 1. You're gonna be 1. You're gonna be a big girl. You're gonna be a big G? Or are you gonna be a baby G? I think you're gonna be a big G. You gonna be a big girl Gigi? No, I'm still gonna call her baby G. This is Gigi doing what Gigi does, which is whatever the heck she wants when she's with Auntie Rocky. Ha! 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 No, but seriously, I am kind of strict. But with her, it's like, I mean, she's a baby. She's gonna get into stuff. But anyways, this is my girl. She's in here with me as I'm recording because, you know, I can't leave her out there alone. So please excuse the noise that she makes. Okay? I see you later. I see you in a little bit. Who is that girl? Who is that pretty girl? I think that's my G. I think that's my Gigi. Is that my Gigi? Okay, are you gonna be quiet for me? You're gonna be quiet? So I'm redoing my part because I don't know, I just gotta do something. But this is my wash and go. My hair is very frizzy. It has kind of a white residue. It's not my favorite, but it's actually better than I was expecting. I as I was doing my hair and I seen my curls weren't becoming defined, they were still super frizzy. I was just expecting the worst. This is better than my expectations, so I'm happy about that. So I used the Cantu Curl Activator Cream. And then I used the Define and Shine Custard. And overall, it's not horrible. It did, you know, a pretty decent job. I wouldn't say it's better than Eco by any means, but for the price of Cantu, it's not bad. And also, my hair is very dense and I have type 4 hair, so getting definition is a task. It's not an easy thing to do. So this product did have a lot of work that it needed to put in order for my hair to be defined. So I wouldn't say it's the best for type 4 hair, but I wouldn't say it's a horrible product either. But I'm just gonna rock this wash and go, and I wanna come back to you when my hair is thoroughly dried and see how it looks then, because this is about 75% dried. I still have a white film. I have a white film over my hair, and I want to see if that goes away or if that stays. I'm really hoping it doesn't, because I'm really hoping this white film goes away as my hair becomes 100% dried, but we shall see. Hey girls, so I just woke up and this is what my hair looks like after doing the wash and go with the Cantu. So as you can see, it is still pretty big. It is pretty defined. There is still that white residue that I told you about yesterday. That residue is still present. I mean, like overall, I just feel like my hair is super frizzy. But I kind of slept a little crazy, so the shape of it is my own fault because of how I slept with it in. But I don't know, like I can work with this, don't get me wrong, I can work with this look, but I do not feel like this is my best wash and go. And I said previously, if you have a looser pattern or more curly hair, not coily hair, I do feel like this is probably gonna work a little bit better for you. But if you have very dense hair, frizzy hair, low porosity hair, I don't think these are the best products for you. Just in terms of the hold and definition and the frizz fighting properties of these products, no. No. So overall, I give it about a 5 out of 10. I don't think I would repurchase it. I don't think I'd reuse it, but I don't think it is a horrible product for other hair types. So if you use Cantu and you have type 4 hair, very dense hair similar to mine, leave me a comment and let me know like what particular products you use and how you use them. Just for me personally, I don't think that this is my best wash and go, but there is definition. There's no shine. There's kind of a cast, this white cast on my hair. It's not flaky. My hair is not flaking by any means, but there is this like cast that is visible. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something. Please, like always, like, comment, share, and subscribe to me. I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya. Say bye-bye. Say I see you later.
Lead them from temptation, make them royalty. All the things we face and make us question it. Lead us to salvation, pour that oil, please. That's how we become kings.